Welcome to our guide on using QinPrinting templates on Adobe Illustrator. First, head over to the QinPrinting website and download the template you need. Once you have it, simply drag it into Adobe Illustrator. Make sure to select the right template page and opt for Import PDF pages as links to keep everything running smoothly. You'll see that the red line on the template marks the bleeding edge, while the blue line shows the trim edge. After that, lock the current layer and add a new one below for your design. Extend the background to the position of the red line. When you're finished with your masterpiece, hide the layer with the template. To wrap things up, go to File Save As, choose the Adobe PDF format. Select High Quality Printing and hit Save PDF. Your project is all set for production.